Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're locked out of your Android phone, maybe you forgot the screen password, pattern, PIN, or your device is stuck on the lock screen, don't worry, I've got an easy solution for you. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Android device using a powerful tool called Wondershare Dr.Fone. Whether you're using a Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Huawei, or any other Android brand, this step-by-step guide will help you get back into your phone quickly and safely, even if you don't remember the passcode. Let's dive right in. Let's start by downloading Wondershare Dr.Fone, a trusted all-in-one software that helps with unlocking phones, recovering lost data, fixing system issues, and even transferring files. It's a super handy toolkit for anyone with a smartphone. You'll find the download link in the video description below. Once you've installed the software, open it up and you'll see a bunch of helpful features. For unlocking your phone, we're going to use the screen unlock option. This feature works for both iOS and Android and can remove lock screens, Apple IDs, Google FRP locks, and more. On top of that, the software also includes tools, system repair for iOS and Android, password management, and even data erasing for WhatsApp data transfer. Now go ahead and click on Screen Unlock. You'll see two options, one for Android and one for iOS. Today, I'm going to demonstrate it with an Android phone. Tap on the Android option. And now you'll see two choices. Unlock Android screen. Remove Google FRP lock. For this tutorial, I'm choosing Unlock Android screen. Next, you'll be asked to pick your phone's brand, including Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and more. Pick the correct brand to continue. If you have a Samsung device, you'll get two unlock options. 1. Remove screen lock without data loss. 2. Remove screen lock, data loss. The first option works for older Samsung models like the Galaxy S6, Note 4, and others. You can keep your data safe with this one. Select your device model, connect your phone via USB, and click Next. But in my case, I'll be using the second option, Remove Screen Lock, Data Loss, which works on nearly all Android devices. Keep in mind this will erase your data, but you might be able to restore it later from your Google or iCloud backups. Click Next and follow the instructions to boot your phone into recovery mode. 1. Turn off your phone while it's connected to your computer. 2. Press and hold volume up plus home or Bixby plus power at the same time. 3. Let go when you see the Samsung logo. Once you're in recovery mode. 4. Use the volume keys to select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm with the power button. Confirm by selecting Yes. Then choose Wipe Cache Partition and confirm. Finally, select the Reboot System now to restart the phone. Wait a few minutes for it to reboot. Once it's done, go back to the software and click Next. Your device will be unlocked shortly. And that's it. Your iPhone or Android device is now unlocked thanks to Wondershare Dr.Fone. Whether you're locked out or just need a fresh start, this tool makes the process smooth and stress-free. If this video helped you out, give it a like and let us know in the comments. If you ran into any issues, we're here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.